Bean, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Yo, yo, yo! So to start off this manicure, I am applying a base coat to all of my nails. Then, as the base color to all my designs, I'm applying this blue China Glaze polish. Next, I'm applying a top coat to all the nails that I plan to put the nail vinyls on. And for me, I'm choosing my index finger, my ring finger, and my thumb. First, because my thumb and index are flatter, so they work better for nail vinyls, but also my ring fingers to spread out the designs across my hand.
Hey! Oh, Bean! You need to get out of the way.
Now that Bean's out of the way, I'm applying this liquid latex to the nails that I plan to do the gradient on. This is my middle finger and my pinky. And you'll notice that this is the actual order that I did my manicure in. So when you're doing multiple designs on your nails, it's good to kind of plan out and think time-wise when things will be dry in the best order. So for the gradient, I am applying this black polish as well as the blue that I did as the base color. And you'll notice that I brush the excess off on the side of the sponge to avoid contaminating my blue polish with the black that transferred onto it from touching it on the sponge. So I'm just dabbing this on my nail, kind of up and down around, so to get the good fade that I want. And I'm removing the liquid latex immediately so that it doesn't get all crusty and weird. Then I'm applying the quick dry top coat to finish off that nail. But you'll see it's not actually finished. We'll get back to that. Now I'm applying this striped nail vinyl that I've waited about 20 to 30 minutes, and I know that my nail is completely dry. I'm making sure to smooth it out so that when I apply the black polish here, it does not get under the nail vinyl and mess up my design. Now I'm peeling it off immediately so that it also doesn't get crusty and weird. Now I'm taking the Cat Cyclone nail vinyls from Tinkle Twinkle whatever. Okay, I'm picking it up finally, and wow, look at that. Boom. Now, as you can see, this is not an effective method on applying that to my nails. So I'm grabbing it by the base or the center, applying that first, and then going around the cyclone and laying it down like so. And I don't like where that's placed, so I'm just kind of picking it up, smoothing it out, and ready to apply the black polish. Similar to my index finger, I want to peel it up immediately, and I peel it up in the cyclone pattern to get the sharpest lines. Now I'm applying these, which I believe are for French tip nail designs, but I'm placing them all sideways because it looks fun. I actually don't have a reason. I thought it would just be best design. And similar to the other nails, applying the black polish. It's actually quite difficult to film painting my thumb with the setup I've got going on, but we got it. And similar to the other ones, I'm peeling it up immediately. Now I'm taking this clear polish and dabbing it in the places that I'd like to place this silver holographic glitter. For me, I am attempting to put 2 little glitter pieces to make it look like cat eyes. Cute. For the index finger, I am just doing a line down the center and applying the glitter. Boom, finish. Even though I sped the clips up, I'll note that it didn't actually take me that much time, just since I'm doing, not being too particular about lining the glitter pieces up perfect. Oh my gosh, there's 2. I thought there was 1 glitter. There's actually looks like there's 3. Wow. Anyway, yes, I'm not being too particular about lining them up perfectly, and I'm not covering my whole nail, just as a little stripe. So this is pretty practical in terms of glitter placements, or a more realistic glitter placement compared to doing your whole nail, and you still get the glitter effect, which I like. So now I'm applying a quick dry top coat to all those designs to seal in the glitter. Now for the final touch to the ombre nails, I'm taking a dollop of nail glue and one of those rhinestones and placing it in the center at the base of my nail. Now to seal this in, I am applying a top coat. I'm trying to avoid putting it directly on the rhinestone so that it doesn't mess up the effect of the faces of the rhinestone, but I kind of got it on it anyways. So yeah. This is the final look. Subscribe if you'd like to see more nail videos, which I post every Monday.